The windows of your business play a crucial role in the overall appearance, energy efficiency, and security of your commercial property. They help create a welcoming environment for customers and employees while protecting your building from the elements. However, over time, windows can suffer from wear and tear, leading to problems that can affect both the functionality and the aesthetics of your business. If you're a business owner in Little Rock, it's important to recognize the signs that your commercial windows need repair. Addressing these issues early on can save you from more expensive repairs or replacements down the line. Here are the key signs your business may need commercial window repair in Little Rock. Visible damage to window frames or glass. One of the most obvious signs that your commercial windows need repair is visible damage to the frames or glass. Cracks, chips, or scratches in the glass can compromise the safety of your building and lead to higher energy costs, as damaged glass lets in more air from the outside. Similarly, rotting or corroding window frames, especially those made of wood or aluminum, can weaken the structural integrity of your windows. Even small cracks can worsen over time, especially with the fluctuating temperatures in Little Rock, where hot summers and cool winters cause materials to expand and contract. If you notice any damage, it's important to have a professional inspect and repair your windows as soon as possible to prevent further deterioration. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows are becoming difficult to open or close, it's more than just a nuisance. It's a sign that something may be wrong with the window's hardware or structural integrity. Over time, dirt, debris, and moisture can accumulate in the window tracks, causing them to stick or become misaligned. In commercial buildings, where windows are often opened and closed frequently, this issue can worsen quickly. Windows that don't operate smoothly not only inconvenience employees and customers but can also pose a safety hazard in case of an emergency. If you're finding it hard to open or close your windows, it may be time for a professional commercial window repair service. Drafts and air leaks. One of the biggest indicators that your commercial windows need repair is the presence of drafts. If you can feel cold air seeping in during the winter or warm air entering during the summer, it's a sign that your windows aren't sealed properly. Drafts are not only uncomfortable for your employees and customers but also contribute to higher energy costs, as your heating and cooling systems have to work harder to maintain the indoor temperature. Windows in commercial buildings are often larger and cover more surface area, so even small leaks can have a significant impact on your utility bills. Repairing seals or installing new weather stripping can help improve the energy efficiency of your business. Condensation between window panes. If you notice fogging or condensation between the panes of your double or triple pane windows, this is a clear sign that the window's seal has failed. When the seal is broken, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to condensation that is impossible to wipe away. This not only obstructs your view but also indicates that your windows are no longer insulating properly. In Little Rock's humid climate, excess moisture trapped in window panes can lead to mold growth and further damage the windows. Addressing this issue through repair or replacement is essential to restore the energy efficiency and clarity of your windows. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed an increase in your business's energy bills without any obvious reason, your windows may be to blame. Drafty or damaged windows can allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime to keep the interior of your building comfortable. Commercial windows, due to their size and exposure, have a big impact on energy efficiency. Repairing damaged seals, cracks, or insulation can help lower your energy costs and reduce your business's carbon footprint, which is especially important in a city like Little Rock, where energy consumption can fluctuate significantly with the seasons. Water leaks or stains around windows. Water leaks or stains around your windows are a serious problem that requires immediate attention. If you notice discoloration, peeling paint, or water damage around your windows, it's likely that moisture is seeping into your building through damaged seals or cracks. Water infiltration can lead to structural damage, mold growth, and even compromise the foundation of your building. In Little Rock, where summer storms can bring heavy rain, water damage can escalate quickly if not addressed. Repairing the source of the leak promptly can help prevent more extensive and expensive repairs in the future. Noise pollution. If outside noise is easily penetrating your windows, it's a sign that they are not providing adequate insulation. While some noise is expected in commercial areas, an excessive amount of sound leaking into your building can affect the productivity of your employees and the experience of your customers. In Little Rock, where busy streets and commercial areas can generate a lot of noise, having properly sealed and insulated windows is crucial. Repairing or upgrading your windows with soundproofing features can create a more pleasant environment inside your business. The condition of your commercial windows plays a significant role in the comfort, safety, and energy efficiency of your business. If you notice any of the above signs, whether it's visible damage, drafts, or rising energy bills, it's important to address these issues as soon as possible. Hiring a professional for commercial window repair in Little Rock can extend the life of your windows, improve energy efficiency, and create a more comfortable space for both employees and customers. Don't wait until a small issue becomes a big problem. Keep your business running smoothly by maintaining and repairing your windows as needed.